Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Android Studio on your Windows 11 operating system. Now in order to install Android Studio on your Windows 11 operating system, you need to have Java on your operating system. So first of all we are going to see how we can install Java Jdk. And then we are going to see how we can install and use Android Studio. First of all, open your favorite browser, and search for Java Jdk download. And the first link which will appear. So just click on this link. I'm going to provide this link in the description of this video. Also you can directly come to this website. At the time of making this video, Java 18 is the latest version which is available for download. So when you scroll down you will see the option to download the Linux binaries, or the macOS binaries, or the Windows binaries. Right, so we are going to select Windows from here. And then we are going to select the Z option here. So just select the link which is in front of the installer option. Here click on this link here. So just wait for the download to complete. And once this Z file is downloaded, I'm going to click on this Z file. And now I can see the Java Jdk installer has been started on my Windows 11 operating system. So here you just need to click on the next button. And this will be the default location where Java will be installed on your Windows 11 operating system. Just remember this location. By default it's installed in C, then Program Files. Then it's going to create a Java directory in Program Files folder, and then there will be a Jdk 18 folder, or the name of the folder will be the version of Jdk you are installing. If you want to change this path, just click on Change. And then change the destination. Otherwise, if you don't have the good reason to change this location, just leave it as default. And then click on Next, which is going to start the installation of Java on your Windows 11 operating system. At this point you just need to wait for this process to complete, and in few seconds you can see the Java Jdk has been installed on my Windows 11 operating system. So I'm going to close this window. That means Java is installed on my Windows 11 operating system. But still I have to do a few things. First of all, I'm going to just go to the location where Java is installed. So just open your folder Explorer, and then go to the C directory. And then I'm going to go to the Program Files where Java folder is created. And then in my case Jdk 18.0.1 is created. In your case, this folder name version can be different. So just go to this folder right. Now in order to set the environment variable for Java, what you need to do, click on the search icon. Once again, and then just type edit environment. And here which is going to show you this result, which is edit environment variable for your account. And it's going to open this kind of window. You can also open this edit environment variable using control panel. So open control panel, and then just view by category here. And then click on System and Security. Then click on System. Once the System window opens, you can click on Advanced System Settings. And then click on Environment Variables, which is also going to show you the same window right. Once this is open, you need to click on the Path Environment Variable under System Variables. And then click on Edit. And here you need to add the path to your Jdk folder binary. So go to the folder where we have installed Java Untitled Jdk folder. And then click on bin folder. So we need to go inside the bin folder inside this Jdk folder. And then copy the path right, until bin. And then copy this path from here. Go to the environment variable window once again, and then you can double click here, or you can click on new, which is also going to show you this option. And then just paste this path until bin. And then press enter, which is going to add this path to your environment variables. Click on OK, so your Java environment variable is set now. Some application also needs the Java home environment variable on your Windows operating system to run them, so let me show you how you can set the Java home environment variable. Also, so you can go at the top under user variable section, and then click on new here. And then the variable name, you need to provide here as Java_home, everything is capital. And the variable value will be the folder which we have opened, which is Jdk folder. so don't go inside the bin folder. In this case, just copy the path until Jdk folder. And then just paste this path under variable values. So you can see there's no bin folder added here, only the path until the Jdk folder. Click on OK, and then click on OK, and then click on OK, which is going to set the environment variable for Java on your Windows 11 operating system. Now once you have installed Java and set the environment variables, you can use Java on command line. So you can just open the command prompt by typing cmd once again. And then I can type Java -version here. And it's going to show me the version of Java, so you can see Java version. Once the installation of Java Jdk is finished, we are ready to install Android Studio. Now open your browser, and then go to the Android Studio download page, link site in the description. Click on Download Android Studio button here. This is going to open this License Terms and Conditions window. I just need to read or go through these license terms and conditions. And if you agree with them, just check this checkbox. And then click on the screen button, which is going to start the download of this Android Studio Z file now. Once this executable file is downloaded, just go to the location where it's downloaded. And then just right-click here. Then you need to run this file as an administrator. As you can see, the setup window for Android Studio has been started. On the first window, just click on Next. And on the second window also you just need to choose the components. So both the components are selected. I'm going to click on Next here also. This will be the default location where Android Studio will be installed on your Windows 11 operating system. So if you don't have the good reason to change this location, just leave it as default. And then click on Next. And here also just leave everything as default. Click on Install. And just wait for the installation to complete. You can also see the details of the installation, so you can see what packages and libraries are being downloaded, extracted and installed. After some time, I can see this message which says installation complete. The setup was completed successfully. Once you see this message, you can click on Next button. And then you can just check this checkbox. And then click on Finish, which is going to launch Android Studio on your Windows 11 operating system. When you start your Android Studio on your Windows 11 operating system for the first time, it will ask you to import some settings or not. So if you don't have the previous installation of Android Studio on your Windows 11 operating system, you can just leave it as Do Not Import Settings option. And then click on OK, which is going to start Android Studio on your Windows 11 operating system. And now I can see this window which says Data Sharing. So if you want to share data with Google, you can click on Send Usage Statistics to Google. I don't want to share anything. And now you can see the Android Studio it has been started. At this point, click on Next here. And then from here you can choose Standard. And then click on Next. And you can choose either the light theme or the dark yellow theme, whatever you like. Now I'm going to click on the light theme. And then click on Next. And then at last you will see this window which says Verified Settings. So you can see these all SDKs and Android related files will be downloaded. So I'm going to click on Next, which is going to start the download and install of all the drivers and all the SDK files on your Android Studio. Once again, you need to wait for some time. Once the installation process is complete, I am going to click on Finish button. And now the Android Studio has been started on your Windows 11 operating system. So from here you can customize your Android Studio, install plugins, and learn more about Android Studio. Let's create a very simple Android Studio project, and let's see if everything is working fine or not. And from here, you can choose what you want to develop. I'm going to just choose the empty activity here. And then click on Next. And this will be the name of my application. I'm going to change it as my simple app. And you can also choose the language in which you want to develop your app. So nowadays the default language is Kotlin, but you can also choose Java from here. So let's choose Java for now. And also you can choose the SDK, so by default API21 is selected, which covers approximately 98% of devices. But if you want to choose any other version, for example I want to choose some newer version, I can choose, let's say, the newest version here which is available, which is API31, but it just covers less than 1% of devices. So I will leave it as API21 for now, which covers approximately 98% of devices. And then click on Finish here, which is going to start your Android Studio and create your project. For the first time, when your project is created, you can see it takes some time. It takes some time to download all the Gradle related files and other files. So you just need to wait for some time until you see the project structure here. So it's importing the Gradle project right now, and then it's going to update the indexes. So now I can see my project has been created. When a new project is created, you will see two files here. First one is mainActivity.java, where you will write all the logic behind your Android app. And you will see activity_main.xml file where you can design your app right. So you have all these components. Here you can drag and drop these components in your app. And then you can use these components. But before running your app you need an Android emulator where you will run your app right. You have created your app,